Hey everyone, welcome to Modern Thinking. Today, we're going to learn about what you can deduct when it comes to taxes. Tax season is almost upon us, and knowing what you can deduct will help you make the most out of your tax refund amount this year. Most individuals take a standard deduction, and the standard deduction amount varies on your filing status. Examples include single, which is at $12,400, married filing jointly at $24,800, married filing separately at $12,400, and head of household at $18,650. If you choose to itemize your deductions, make sure to only do so if it exceeds the standard deduction amount. Otherwise, you could be losing out on some savings. Possible deductions include contributions to an IRA, mortgage interest, charitable contributions, personal property taxes, investment interest expenses, qualifying medical expenses, business expenses, etc. See a qualified tax specialist or read up more about what you are eligible for in order to make your money work for you. Stay tuned and watch out for the next Speed Round series. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel and start your journey to financial freedom today.